What if I told you that never turning off your laptop could be slowly killing it? Would it explode, overheat, or just become painfully slow? Most people leave their laptops on for days, some even for months. But is that a bad idea? Stay till the end because the answer might surprise you. Let's start with the short-term effects. If you leave your laptop on for a day or two, not much happens. Most modern laptops are designed to handle this. Your RAM stores temporary data, your processor keeps running, and your operating system manages background tasks. But this is where things get tricky. As time passes, your RAM starts filling up. Apps you thought were closed, they're still using memory. And guess what? The more RAM your system uses, the slower it becomes. Ever had a laptop that was fine yesterday but laggy today? Now you know why. Now let's talk about the real problems. If you never turn off your laptop for weeks, you'll start to notice some weird things. First, overheating. Your cooling fans work harder to keep things cool, but dust starts building up inside. More dust means worse cooling, and worse cooling means, even more overheating. Then there's the dreaded memory leak. Some software doesn't release memory properly, causing lag, freezing, and even crashes. And let's not forget updates. Your laptop needs to restart to apply important updates, but if you never shut it down, guess what? You're missing out on security fixes that protect you from hackers. One day, your laptop might suddenly stop working, and you won't even know why. Now, if you've gone months without turning it off, brace yourself. Your laptop battery is suffering. Leaving your laptop plugged in 24/7 can cause battery degradation, meaning it won't hold a charge like it used to. Ever noticed your battery dropping to 50% in minutes? This is why. At this point, your laptop is running slow, getting hotter, and might even start shutting down by itself. But is there ever a good reason to never turn it off? Let's find out. The only time you should leave your laptop on is if you're running a server, rendering videos, or doing long-term tasks that require constant uptime. But for normal users, you should restart or shut down your laptop at least once a week. This clears your RAM, refreshes the system, and prevents slowdowns. So, should you turn off your laptop tonight? Well, if you've made it this far, I think you already know the answer. So, what's the longest you've left your laptop on? Comment below. I'm curious, and if you want to learn how to make your laptop faster, check out this video right here.